Hi, my name is Sharon. I'm the owner of Dummy Mask Dance Studio, and in today's tutorial on Salsa On1 Shines, we will be discussing two steps that would be great to use during the Montuno section of a salsa song, and they are called the step touch and the semicircle. So in the Montuno section of a salsa song, you would have the chorus, but you would have a call and answer. So the role of the caller could be the lead singer, background singers, or even another instrument in the salsa song. And then the answerer could be any of those as well in the Montuno section. And so these steps, the step touch and the semicircle, work well musicality wise for the Montuno section, but they could be used at any part of the salsa song. So the first step we'll talk about today is the step touch. And the step touch, you're stepping on all 8 counts of the salsa song, and the actual stepping happens on the core beats 1, 3, 5, 7, and then you will tap on the even beats. So there's a complete transfer of weight on the core beats. So I'm going to turn around and show you the lead timing. So we'll start with a front back basic on 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to tap 8 to get started with the step touch. Then transfer our weight. 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, 5, tap 6, 7, tap 8, then back to the front and back basic. 3, 5, 6, 7. And for the arm styling, I just have normal salsa arms with my elbows bent at 90 degrees and my hands at waist level. So just so you can see the arm styling from this angle, I'm going to start with a basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you see the arms move every time I step on the core beat. So I'm going to turn around, and another option for the step touch is to not tap on that 8 count the second time around. So let's start basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, tap 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So for the follow timing, we will step back on our right leg. And the step touch will start on count 4, but we'll do a full basic first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the basic. So I styled my arms differently for the follow timing. It's an option. Just looks a bit more feminine, but you could choose to style it any way you like. Now the next step that we're going to do is the semicircle. And semicircle is basically a variation of the step touch in that we're doing the step touch moves, but we are rotating our body to the right. So let me start in this direction, and we'll start with the lead timing. 1, 2, 3, started with a basic, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Now I'm going to step forward and turn to the right. 1, tap 2. Then 3, tap 4. Now I'm facing to the back. 5, tap 6. Now I'm facing left. 7, tap 8. Now I'm facing forward. Then basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. More smoothly. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So for the follow timing, just like for the step touch, we begin the semicircle on count 4. So basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just like for the step touch, in the semicircle you can choose to tap on the 8 or the 4 count, depending if you're doing the lead or follow timing or not. So that is an option. The other thing I should mention is that I'm only doing these steps for 8 counts. You can definitely continue them on for more than 8 counts. You could do 16 counts. So that's up to you. So let's put these moves to music.
Yo le traigo mi son son. Anda, si es la verdad. Yo le traigo mi son son. Sabroso. Yo le traigo mi son son. Son, son, son. Yo le traigo mi son. Yo le traigo mi son son. Ay, mi son para bailar, mi son para gozar. Yo le traigo mi son son. Si yo te traigo mi rico son. Yo le traigo mi son son. Ay, yo le traigo mi son. Ay, yo le traigo mi son son. Son, son, son para bailar. Son yo le traigo mi son son. Eso es mi gente buena.
So I hope you enjoyed that mini tutorial on step touch and semicircle steps that you can use for shines on Salsa On1. And for more information on classes that we offer, please visit our website at demimaskdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Demimask Dance Studio and on Instagram at demimaskdance. Thanks for watching.
El son de Cuba traigo yo, apúrense que el son llegó. El son de Cuba, el son de Cuba traigo yo, porque la fiesta ya empezó, ya empezamos a fiestar más.